Come all you wandering fellow men of every rank and station, I'll sing a short oration that yet remains untold. You might have been an Austrian, a German or Bulgarian. Of all my vast experiences, the truth I will unfold. You'll hear of Maidhcí unity unveiled to the community. So take the opportunity of listening to me. You'll hear of foreign countries and of truthful calculations, and of a few relations in my home in fair Glanlea. I went to see the world's range when scarcely 16 years of age. A steerage passage I engaged on a ship called Iron Duke. We went on board at Dublin's wall, being southward bound for the Transvaal. I had a friend from Onaskal and one from Donnybrook. Our noble ship had scarcely steamed when through my mind sad memories beamed. I thought of my own neighbours and their loving company. I thought of my own brother and our love for one another, and of a grey-haired mother in that beauty spot Glanlea. We landed safe and suddenly in that British state Cape Colony. In search of manual labour I wandered near and far. I searched the Arin River amongst Hottentots and Kaffirs, a while with the Grand Master of the Isle of Zanzibar. A Dutchman who admired my ways took me to see the Himalayas. Oh, friends dear me, I was amazed, their awful height to see. We journeyed on through Hindustan, along the river Ganges. No place in all my ranges like that beauty spot Glanlea. This Dutchman who in health's decline had heard of cures in Palestine invited me for to combine and along with him to go. We landed safe in Jaffa and we journeyed through Jerusalem, the ancient city of Hebron and the ruins of Jericho. The Lebanon's mountains, highest peaks, just like the Magla reeks, and from its summit you could see the Lake of Galilee. Likewise the river Jordan and the province of Samaria. But still it sounds contrary, the fairest was Glanlea. But Providence had willed its way, and therefore conscience must obey. I went on board and sailed away when my friend did me forsake. I landed safe in Frisco when the trees were blooming beautiful. And on that very evening there was a big earthquake. I was in bed and sleeping sound. I woke to find things swinging round. And after that I heard no sound, no pain affected me. But on the following morning, when I recovered consciousness, I wrote about the consequence to my home in fair Glanlea. I told them in the letter that I'd lost the situation. That was my worldly station. I intended to go home, and I hoped their generosity would help my transportation. And I went on relating how misfortune made me roam. I got the cash to pay my way without disaster or delay. I landed safe in Queenstown Quay on board a chimpanzee, and after an excursion of some 5 long hours' duration, I reached the little station on the road to fair Glanlea. As I approached the terminus, I viewed with consternation the awful congregation that assembled in the rain. I thought some other person of worldly estimation to their eager expectation was coming on by train. But as I scanned each friendly face, friends and neighbours, old-time mates, assembled there in hundreds with a welcome home for me. They shouted with elation and they shook with great vibration the surrounding elevation on the road to fair Glanlea. And now I live contentedly amongst those grand old neighbours, endowed with all the capers of good nature and delight. I found amongst the multitude a charming little creature. To prove her admiration, she's my charming Irish wife. And when we'll meet on Sundays noon in that cosy spot called Top of Combe, where song and story would illume the heart of you and me, and there amongst a multitude of grand old friends and neighbours, we're never tired of praising that beauty spot, Glanlea.